Subscribe my channel SSC and State Exam Academy and click the bell icon to get new update. First question. Young's modulus, bulk modulus, shear modulus are related by A. E equal to K plus G by Gk. B. E equal to 9 kg by 3k plus G. C. E equal to 9k plus G by Jk. F equal to K plus 6G by 6k. Answer B. E equal to 9 kg by 3k plus G. Question number 2. Hooke's law holds good up to A. Breaking point, B. Yield point, C. Elastic limit, D. Plastic limit. Option C. Elastic limit. Question number 3. The material having the same elastic properties in all directions are called A. Ideal materials, B. Uniform materials, C. Isotropic materials, D. Elastic material. C. Isotropic material. Note it. Same material in all direction properties is same. This is isotropic material. Different material but same direction is property same. They are homogeneous material. Okay. Next question. Question number 4. Modulus of rigidity is defined as the ratio of A. Longitudinal stress to strain, B. Shear stress to shear strain, C. Stress to strain, D. Stress to volumetric strain. B. Shear stress to shear strain. Question number 4. Hooke's law holds for up to A. Yield point, B. Limit of proportionality, C. Breaking point, D. Elastic limit. B. Limit of proportionality. Question number 6. The ratio of stress produced by the suddenly applied load to the produced by the same load when the gradually applied load. Okay. Stress suddenly applied load equal to 2 times of stress gradually applied load. Note it. Question number 7. A rod of length L tapers uniformly from a diameter D at one end to a diameter D, small d at the other. The Young's modulus of the material is E. The extension caused by axial loaded P L by pi by 4 capital D small d E. Okay. So option A 4 PL by pi d square minus small d square by E. Option B 4PL by pi d square plus d square by E. 4PL by pi d capital D small d E. Option D 2PL by pi d capital D small d E. Option C 4PL by capital D small d E. Question 8. Deformation per unit length in the direction of force is known as Option A. Linear strain, Option B. Stress, Option C. Lateral strain, Option D. Modulus of elasticity. Option A. Linear strain. Question number 9. The unit of the stress is SI units is A. Newton per mm square, B. K. Kilonewton per mm square, C. Newton per meter square, D. All of these. This is mean megapascal or m Newton per meter square. This is me kilonewton meter mm square now. As option C is the right answer. Newton per meter square per Pascal. Question number 10. Poisson's ratio is defined as the ratio of A. Lateral strain to longitudinal strain, B. Axial stress to axial strain, C. Shear stress to shear strain, D. Longitudinal strain to lateral strain. Option A. Lateral strain to longitudinal strain. Poisson's ratio mu equal to minus lateral strain by longitudinal strain. The relationship between the Young modulus E and bulk modulus K and the Poisson's ratio mu is given by A E equal to 3K into 1 minus 2 mu, B K equal to 3K 1 minus 2 mu, C E equal to 3K 1 minus mu, D E equal to 3K 1 minus mu, B K equal to 3K 1 minus 2 mu. There is two option is same. Oh sorry, there is K है ना. Sorry, option A E equal to 3K into 1 minus 2 mu. Question number 12. Which one of the following express the total elongation of a bar of length L with a constant cross section of A and modulus of elasticity E hanging vertically and subjected to its own weight W? Self load elongation due to self weight. Option A WL by AE, option B WL by 2AE, option C 2WL by AE, option D WL by 4AE, option B WL by 2AE और এটাকে লিখতে পারো rho G rho G L square by 2E. Next question, the value of the Poisson's ratio is always less than Poisson's ratio mu is less than 0.5. Okay, answer B is the right answer. Question 14. The unit of modulus of elasticity is same as those of A. Stress, strain and pressure, B. Stress, force, modulus of rigidity, C. Strain, force and pressure, D. Stress, pressure and modulus of rigidity. Option D. Stress, pressure and modulus of rigidity. Stress Newton per meter square, pressure Newton per meter square, modulus of rigidity Newton per meter square. Because strain is unitless. Okay, next question. 15. Young's modulus is defined as the ratio of A. Volumetric stress and volumetric strain, B. Lateral strain and lateral stress, C. Longitudinal stress and longitudinal strain, D. Shear stress to shear strain. Young modulus. Option C. Longitudinal stress and longitudinal strain, or 1D normal stress by 1D normal strain, also called that the Young's modulus. Question number 16. Convert 60 gram centimeter per second square to Newton. This you convert this Newton means SI unit, gram for gram 10 to the power minus 3 and centimeter into 10 to the power minus 2 divided by 60 divided by 10 to the power 3 10 to the power minus 2. So 0.006 Newton. Option C is the right. Next question देखो. Question number 18. In this given image, what kind of stress are bodies experiencing? Okay. A. Tensile, B. Compressive, C. Elastic, D. Shear. There is shear stress due to shear force. Option D. Question number 19. Which of the following option correctly blank dash is the unit of strain? Option A. Meter, B. Newton, C. Strain is a unitless quantity, D. Pascal, C. Strain is a unitless quantity. Question number 20. Which of the following statements are an accurate description of elastic limit? Option A. The point up to which the material remains elastic. Point B, the point up to which the stress and the strain are directly proportional. C, the amount of stress present in the material before the permanent deformation. D, maximum stress the material can withstand after permanent deformation. C, the amount of stress present in the material before permanent deformation. Question number 21. If we compare the compressive and tensile strength respectively of a brittle material with respect to tensile material, which of the following statement is correct? A. Stronger in shear but weaker in compression. B. Stronger in compression but weaker in tension. C. Weaker in compression. D. Stronger in tension. B. Stronger in compression but weaker in tension. This is brittle material. स्ट्रेस स्ट्रेन डायग्राम देखोगे तो ऐसे आएगा, ब्रेक हो जाएगा टेंशन पे, कॉम्प्रेसिव में स्ट्रेस ले सकता है. Question number 22. For a stressed metal wire, which of the following is correct? A. Stress is force applied on the body per unit area. B. Stress and pressure are same. C. Stress is internal whereas pressure is external even though they share same unit. C. Stress is internal whereas pressure is external even those are share same units. On which of the following principles is the strain gauge based? A. Change in pressure with the change in volume. B. Change in resistance with change in length. C. Change in pressure with change in length. D. Change in temperature with change in voltage. Option B. Change in resistance with change in length. Which of the following is the relation between Young's modulus E and the rigid modulus G and the Poisson's ratio mu? Option A, E equal to 2 mu G into 1 plus mu. Option B, E equal to 2 mu G into by 1 plus mu. C, E equal to 2G into 1 plus mu. D, E equal to mu G into 1 plus mu. This is homework question. This answer comment me in this video. Okay, next question. Question number 25 and the last question of this video. नेक्स्ट पार्ट के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके रखना एंड प्ले लिस्ट में जाके आप सब वीडियो चेक कर सकते हो. इफ द रेशियो G by E equal to 0.5, the Poisson's ratio will be G is the rigidity modulus, E equal to Young's modulus. We know the relation between rigid modulus, Young modulus and Poisson's ratio. E equal to mu E equal to 3G, sorry, E equal to 2G into 1 plus mu. Okay, E by G means 0.4 divided by 2 equal to 1 plus mu. 0.2 mu equal to, calculate this question. We know that the Young modulus E equal to 2G into 1 plus mu. Here given G by E, so G by E equal to 1 by 0.4 into 2, 0.8 equal to 1 plus mu. So mu equal to 1 minus माइनस वन हो जाएगा और 0.2 डिवाइडेड बाई 0.8, 0.25. Option B is the right answer. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.